about that, Kenny?
Okay, let's see. You have a 250, a FASM, a 500 pound, and a 500.
You on a flag? You on a gun?
Gun.
Okay. I haven't been in one of these bad boys in a minute.
Okay.
Are we good for takeoff?
You guys are good whenever.
So we're going to the airfield, right, Kenny?
We're going to the airfield. It's very far away, but sure.
Is it the one called
Which
Aerodome?
objective are you guys going to first?
Currently, me and Randy don't know. Either the flag, the Opel, or the airfield. I'm thinking if we go to the airfield, all of the planes will take off.
Well, I forgot to mention, by the way, there are going to be friendly forces coming in and trying to attack a couple places. So, like, at some point, the desert rats will be coming up near the airport, depending on, like, to try and take it out if you guys have it by then. But they also might need support at some point. So, yeah.
Alright.
You guys can take out whatever you want. You guys are good.
Well, I'm thinking maybe take care of the convoy.
In the bottom right.
In the bottom left.
Bottom left.
No, like on the left side.
The 32nd Armored Division?
Like right here.
The 32nd Armored Division, Kenny?
Wait, where is that objective, Randy?
Do you have, like, actual marked objectives, or is it all, you know?
Yeah, there are marked objectives.
There are or are not?
There are. I have them on the task.
I do not.
You
Yeah,
can't
could
see
you-
the objectives, Randy.
Maybe unmark them and remark them.
Can you still not see them?
They're here. Oh, well, one of them is. 3 of them are. There's 3 second lieutenants, apparently.
Yeah, let's go and destroy them while they are recuperating. Who knows, maybe the
Potential engine stall, stand by.
who knows, maybe the convoy has higher vital war efforts. They need to take it to the airfield or parts or ammo. This is Africa, so there is no ammo. Maybe fuel, but not money.
Alright.
Randy, can you see the rest of the objectives now?
I can see a bunch of neutralized objectives.
Yeah, there.
So where are we going, Kenny? Give me a clarification.
We're going to neutralize the second lieutenants and the Opel Blitz.
What we're doing?
We're going for bombing one first. Try and discombobulate them.
We are approaching target. No visual. Got a visual.
Yep, convoy started. Just remember to pull up as soon as you drop, because this is having a large bomb. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
Yes, sir, hit. Oh, wait! Did you
Okay.
No way! No way! Is that actually real, Raleigh? Did you do that?
No, so I think I put all the vehicles too close. You set off the chain
Oh
reaction.
my gosh! That was really cool. I did a perfect run.
You did. However,
What, man?
really did.
What?
They are scrambling fighters.
Yep, watch out, we're flying
We'll
right
go for
next
the
to...
airfield question mark?
Well, over the airfield to our left is the flag AA area. aka 2 are on the side of it underneath us.
I don't have any markers on the airfield. Oh, I see it. Unfortunately, we're not at an angle.
And now we're around our turn protector against the air. Sadly, I can't shoot them if they are underneath us or way above us.
We have some fighters taking off.
Another good hit.
Plane on tail.
On it. Probably faster than Steve, yeah. Watch out for the flag. Oh, that's too close. We have a underneath us. Oh.
Damn, I didn't think that.
No worries, Randy. You just got rammed. Come on, can I get out? No. Fuck. Oh, wait, maybe? No. I do believe I'm stuck. Okay.
Kenny, do you want to teleport?
Yeah, could I get teleported just outside the...
Is this where you want it or no?
I wanted to be teleported outside the plane, but this is fine. Take one of the... I don't know what these planes are called. The P-39. Hello, I'm Uber. Oh, right, could you also put a marker on me and Randy so we don't accidentally friendly fire? Never mind that. Quick. Ah, man, I had it. Almost had it. Ah well. I'm gonna try to fly one of these flap turrets. Or whatever these are called. Oh, they don't have any weapons. It's this plane. This was a P-49. Right, well then, try number 2, I guess. Like a flying sail. the heck's Randy? Okay. Hey.
Update on friendly locations.
Oh, there is another waffle. Look rough. What the fuck? Watch out, they have one of the AA tanks. Whatever the fuck that name is again.
Oh, I think he knows. Well, that's one way to take it out.
I had to do it. I had no ammunition.
Oh, I'm sorry. I would have.
Oh, no, that's fine. He's really fun to fly.
Well, I'm flying.
What else do we have?
You guys have. Wait, is that it? Have we done everything? It looks like it.
They saw some stragglers, yeah.
What are these planes across the way?
Those are P-39s.
Is that the same as the ones back over on the other side?
No, the ones on the other side that you were just flying is P-47.
Not the P-47, the other one.
Oh yeah, those are the same. One of them's just a desert version.
What are these, Riley? Just some targets?
You're not supposed to see those right now.
They are marked on the map as purple. I wanted to investigate, sorry.
Okay, so now, one of two things can happen. Either we end it, or I have one more objective. And
It's very quick.
yeah, I didn't really, like I said, I kind of made it small to begin with, but like, I kind of removed some stuff when, it was just you and Kenny that were here, because I didn't want to make it too long, but you guys kind of killed everything way faster than
They
I
have like a retaliation wing or something come in.
Well, there is one more objective if you guys want to do it. But I think it would be fun if in a tank.
You want to do it in a tank?
I'm finding it that tank.
Okay, tell me where we're going and I will airdrop in.
Yeah, hold on, let me make my way back.
Actually, we have a biplane we can use if we just for jumping on them. You got any spookies?
What'd you say, Randy?
I said, do we have any spookies?
I I'm not sure.
What was the jump craft we had the other day?
The one we had over there was, I believe, was a glider.
Is that a bad plane? Oh, okay. I was gonna say it's over.
Let's see.
Is that a spooky?
Yes.
Oh, what mod's in it?
I'm not actually sure.
I don't think it's World War II. I mean, it is, but it's not.
Yeah, I think it's go.
What button was it to decrease the plane again?
Z.
You mean to like reduce throttle?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's it.
I hope this is coming too hard. It might because of the lag, but let's see. This is
Okay, I will be back in 1 second. I really have to pee quickly.
Alright, take care. Oh my god, this was my first ever fucking landing. Holy hell. No, Randy. Please don't crash now, I just landed.
You got a parachute?
I have. Also, Randy,
Yeah.
that was my first ever landing.
Oh my god.
That was my
I've only had like maybe 20, 10, 20.
that was my first ever fucking landing and I'm proud of it.
Well, that's not good. But I'm sure we can extend the gear.
Yes, it will in case maybe,
This is not good.
So, what are we in? Are we in like a World War II AC-130?
I think so. I just apparently did not understand the correct speed to take off.
Oh no, did you break the gear?
It's not damaged, it's just the gears are not where they're supposed to be.
Riley.
I say we get on top of it, and we stand here and we say nothing, and we wait for Riley to go, what happened?
What do you mean?
He's back, so it wouldn't work.
What have you done? Do you want me to back you up or something? I fixed it.
Oh, that wasn't the issue.
What's the issue?
It decided to untake off, and now the gears are not deployed, so it can take off again.
I don't want to hurt you, Randy.
Do what you must.
Randy, I salute you to be the first spaceman.
What the heck?
Congratulations, Randy, you destroyed the plane. It's doing the wobblies. Oh no! Quick, spawn in another one and delete it. I'm gonna clip that, Randy.
Okay.
Alright, this time try and take out what you had reached, I don't know, 120 maybe?
It's
Because
like 120, 150.
yeah, because it seems 90 is not fast enough.
Put your gear up, put your gear up, put your gear up. Put your flaps up. Yeah, now we're flying.
Let's go, the AC-130. That sadly only has one working gun.
Altitude. Altitude.
Altitude. Altitude. Altitude. You could also delete the protect cannon mark. I could want to try shooting. Yeah, fuck you like this. I was pointing us to the right direction. Did you just shoot the fucking camera?
You did. Stand by the camera.
Alright, what do you tell me to?
Get ready. Jump.
Can I
Jump.
not get out? I can't get out, there's a fucking guy in the way.
Did you get out?
I can't get out of the plane, I'm double tapping B, it doesn't work.
Hold on. I got an idea. I can't do it in the median area, and I can't do it in the observation seat.
Maybe I can see you trying to get out.
Yeah, it doesn't want to work.
I'll do this instead for you.
And that's really poo. I wanted to deploy a chute and go down there. And there goes a gear, Randy.
There goes our instruments and our hull.
Wait, did you land over there?
I believe it landed. Yeah.
Oh,
Yep. Huh. Am I in the air or am I? I am being parachuted. The parachute will automatically deploy if you haven't deployed it before reaching 150 meters above ground level. Your backpack will be returned to you.
can hear you stuck in the ground.
I believe so. I have the black text on me. It's done.
I can't even move you. Okay, I don't know how to fix you.
Ah, man. Suits kill me, maybe. Hey. Hey, there we go. God damn it. Well, yes, let's do that. Respawn. Checkpoint.
Can you want to teleport over? Never mind.
I'm riding with the. This is so safe. This is so safe. Ooh. Hope you're doing okay, Randy, because it seems like you're running right into a wall.
Had to take it like a ramp, but
Don't worry, follow the guy on the mule. No fair, you have tracks on. You're faster.
Do you guys want me to help you out a little bit?
No, I need to prolong my video so it is at least mediocrely entertaining. Come back, magic man. Speaking of Battlefield, we should host an ARC with just infantry, infantry, tanks, and maybe a few planes. Try and make a Battlefield 1942 ARC. That would be very cool.
That was a good game.
Yeah. I'm actually surprised there's still mod support for it.
Kenny, do you want a teleport? Because it's going to take you so long to get there.
Yeah, I could maybe use one.
Randy, do you want one?
Alright, there we go. Teleport is 700 meters front. Wait, hold on. Is it snowing in Africa? Must really have messed up the climate. Oh, hold on. How is the fucking... My guy's not even touching the pedals. To get a fucking handbrake in there, that's gonna be a pain. Man, the mule was not very well designed for transport other than maybe... I don't know, ammo? Wait. Is there a grenade here? Of course, you get the set. Oh, that's not. Let's see what that was about.
I also know where.
It's not this place in the disc. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Continue.
That's a lot of tanks.
Yeah, you want the Churchill, you want the
Other
Sherman.
than it's easy.
Not enough space on my before I forget, they were recruiting me and then I get some AI teams. AI to deploy.
What?
And you put a few AI in me and Randy's tanks so we can use all of the weapons on it.
Randy, do you want to go as well?
What did you say?
Do you want a crew? Alright, you're fully loaded. Also, I would be careful of the dirt.
accurate, but he is a very persistent shot.
Stand up like a fucking moron.
are you? No! I'm currently being suppressed by an MG. Where's this? I don't know where the fucking AT is. Jesus Christ, who is... When is it? Is it you who is placing all the mines everywhere?
No, Kenny, that would be a minefield.
Huh. Oh, I didn't see them before. Can't really...
Randy, there's like 2 dudes left in front of you, and then that's it.
Like everything?
Yep.